So now let's see how we can work around with the Dabble effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the Dabble effect, you need to go around onto the File menu and then go around onto the Import section. So once you go around over there, you need to go around and import out the picture that you want to go ahead and apply the effect to. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and bring in this particular picture. So to apply the Dabble effect, you need to go around under Effects, then you need to go around onto Art Strokes, and here you can see that Dabble is an option. So once you go around over here, you can see that Dabble type of effect is added in as if someone dabbled and painted out this picture right here. You can go ahead and change around the size of the dabble just like this as well. So you can make it more blunt or make it more sharp as you want. And you can also go around and randomize this right here and even choose the randomization number right here, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, and this is how you can make as if some picture is being painted. So just like this, I have this picture right here. So I can simply go ahead and import out another picture as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to take this picture of the scenery. So I can go around over here onto, let's say, for example, the art stroke, and then I'm going to go for Dabble, and it looks like the picture is being dabbled right here. So I can change around the size and you can see that it seems as if someone painted out this picture. So that is how you can utilize the Dabble effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.